Do reply, am I audible? Very good afternoon, Vedahi. All of you just confirm audio and video. Welcome to you all on the IMS GATE Academy. Let's start today's class. Sorry for the delay, dear students. Due to some urgent meeting, the session has been delayed today. So now, in the last class, we have started the convolution, discrete time convolution, and we have seen some properties of convolutions as well. And I think this was the last slide of last class, and we already discussed the first expression also. Yes or no, beta Vedahi? All of you to reply. Okay, guys. So I think this question we have completed. This question we have completed till the last session. Yes or no? I think some technical issue in the board. Okay, no problem. So you should tell me what is the result of this. Student, in the last class we have seen this UN convolution with UN is nothing but actually n plus 1 into u of n. This is all about the last class revision. I am starting today's class with this question, UN convolution with ROFN. UN convolution with ROFN, yes. I think there is some problem, guys. I need to again refresh it. Okay, so just wait for the next 1 minute. I will just update it, okay. Just refresh it. Yes. So tell me, guys, UN convolution with UN. First question we have completed. Now next question I am going to start UN convolution with R of n. Okay. So I am writing here, sir, if I am looking for y of n equal to, if you are looking for yn of n equal to chale. So y of n equal to, I am writing n un convolution with u of n. It means ramp signal convolving with step signal. Yes or no? So if I will convolve this, convolution formula says that yn is nothing but sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity x of k dot h of n minus ka k. Yes or no? So if I will put this value, what I will get, guys? I will get yn equal to sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity xk, means you can write k into u of k, and dot also you can write here u n minus ka k. Yes or no, guys? So you will feel that, sir, in yesterday class only we have made two curve of uk and u of minus k plus n. So this is nothing but u of k, which is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and with respect to k, this is my u of k. And if I will make the curve of u u of minus k plus n. So you can write u of minus k plus n with respect to k. So it is coming from actually minus infinity and 2 plus 1, minus infinity to plus n, yes, coming from this. So this is my first curve, this is my second curve, and if I will multiply both the curve, actually I will get the magnitude 1 and limit goes to k equal to 0 to n, k equal to 0 to n, and here this time only left what? K only. So you should tell me now what is the answer, guys, summation formula. If you remember the formula, then it will be k, upper limit n, so it will be n into n plus 1 upon 2. And because of right hand side, so I can multiply with 1, so u of n. So y of n result is nothing but, this is the final result, n into n plus 1 upon 2 into un. Bolo beta whether is it clear or not? Tell me guys, just let me know, is this clear or not? All of you guys do reply fast. Bolo, is it clear whether he? So if I will just write the result, suppose that guys here I am doing n un and un, and you know it is commutative. You know it is commutative, yes. So if someone want to solve like this, कि sir I am writing un first and then nun, then ideally result should be same. So if I will apply the formula now, because it is commutative, ideally result should be same, because I am just changing the positions. It means I am just applying the commutative law, commutative principle. So k tends to minus infinity to infinity. Xk means here u of k, and h n minus ka k, it means n minus ka k into u of n minus ka k. So it means what you will get? You will get yn equal to sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity. Here what I am doing, I am just opening the bracket. So when you will open the bracket, what you will get? You will get here u of k dot, what you will get again guys? N minus ka k here and un minus ka k, yes. So you should tell me uk and un minus ka k milke, don't you think the limit goes to? uk and un minus ka k limit goes to 0 to n only. Because uk and un minus ka k after multiplication it will give the limit sure n equal to 0, k equal to 0 to n. And what is left only? N minus ka k only left, sir. Bolo hai na? Yes. Because here limit goes to, because here limit is in k, k equal to 0 to n. So first time you are writing n, and minus after time you are writing sigma of k equal to 0 to small n, and here is k. So because limit is in k, this n will be working as a constant, so coming outside. So here left only k equal to 0 to n and 1, and minus here you will get k equal to 0 to n, and here you will get k. So now ultimately what you will get? The small n is already outside, and here when you will solve, so summation of here is one number only. So n in n minus 0 plus 1, upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. So it will be n minus 0 plus 1. And here what you will get? Here you will get again upper limit minus lower limit. So here is k, it means n into n plus 1 upon 2, yes or no? Yes. So it means ultimately it is n into n plus 1 and minus n into n plus 1 upon 2. So ultimately 1 minus half is nothing but half. So final answer is remain same, n into n plus 1 upon 2, or into, because it is in right hand side, multiply with 1, so un. Yeah. So result remains same, bolo hai na, n into n plus 1 upon 2 into un. So what is the note for us in future? In future we have to remember this, ki sir, if u of n convolve with n un, then the result will be n into n plus 1 upon 2 into u of n. If I will provide the shifting, suppose that u of n minus ka a, convolution of n minus ka b into u of n minus ka b. So you can check here shifting, one is a and one is with respect to b. So ultimately a and b will reflect in the final result also. So it will be n minus ka a minus ka b. Again here is n minus ka a minus ka b plus 1 upon 2, and dot में u of n minus ka a and minus ka b. बोलो है ना? So this is nothing but the final result after sampling, after shifting even. So if I am taking the example also here only, Suppose that I am taking example also here only, then you can tell me what is the answer. U of n minus ka 3 convolution with n minus ka 4 into u of n minus ka 4. Yes. Solve it. If you know the standard form, you just need to compare the AB value and try to solve it fast. Try to write the final expression fast. Yes. All of you guys will reply. So here you can identify AB value as a 3 and 4. So answer is un minus 3, un minus 3, convolution n minus 4, un minus 4. So your answer is nothing but n minus a minus b. It means n minus 3 minus 4. And again here also n minus 3 minus 4 plus 1. So I am writing here actual result. I am writing result here only. Yes. So the answer is n minus 3 minus 4. Here I am writing n minus 3 minus 4 plus 1 into u of n minus 3 minus 4 और upon के अंदर 2, upon में 2. So ultimately it will be n minus का 7. बोलो है ना. It is n minus का 6 into u of n minus का 7 upon 2. This is your final answer. बोलो बच्चों हाँ या ना. All of you guys do reply. Shall we go for next बेटा. हाँ या ना. अपॉन में 2 भी आ जाएगा सर. शाबाश बेटा. वेरी गुड वेदाई. चलिए. So now we are going for the next question. Suppose that now I am writing the question this. Y of n equal to, this time we have to solve ramp to ramp, NUN convolution with NUN. Yes. Can you solve this question guys now? Just apply the final formula. So formula of convolution is nothing but sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity x of k dot h of n minus ka k. Here this one is working as a xk and it is working as a hn. So what you will do? So xk and hk, it means here sigma is as it is sir. Sigma limit k tends to minus infinity to infinity. Xk means you should write k into uk dot. Here n minus ka k. So you should write here n minus ka k into u of n minus ka k. So ultimately what you will get guys? You will get sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity and here I will get k dot, bolo, here I will get k dot n minus ka k and uk and un minus ka k will give you the limit k equal to 0 to n. Will give you the limit k equal to 0 to n. Yes. K equal to 0 to n. Yeah. Now you should tell me guys k equal to 0 to n. K equal to 0 to n. Now first function it will be sigma of k equal to 0 to n and nk. So n I am taking outside, here is k only. So minus you can write sigma of k equal to 0 to n and here we are having k. So ultimately what you will get guys, n is already outside now. N is already outside. Now you have to check k and k here. So what you will get ultimately? So this time nk, this time k square, sorry, k square, na, k square. So n is already outside. It will give me n into n plus 1 upon 2. Bolo hai na bachcho. I hope you are getting this. But n is already outside and this is k only. So formula says that n into n plus 1 upon 2. Hai na? Yes. And here k square, it means it is n into n plus 1 dot 2n plus 1 upon 6. बोलो बेटा वैदेही यहाँ तक क्लियर है क्या? वैदेही, is this clear or not? ये expression, this expression you are getting or not? Just let me know हाँ या ना. If this expression is clear, then after taking this, we can take the LCM as well. Why? Because kn, so kn here, limit is in k, so n outside, k inside. Minus k square, so because limit in k, so we have to apply the formula for n square wala formula. So n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1, 6, yes. So ultimately your yn will be what? If I will take the LCM 3, if I will take the LCM what? 6. 6 LCM sir. Then 2 3s are 6. So it will be first term 3n square, n cube. Bolo hai na, 3n cube. N, open the bracket. 3n cube plus 2 3s are 6, 3n square. plus 3n square, हाँ है ना, minus what you will get when you will multiply all the 3, so 2n square, so you will get actually 2n square, 2n cube, so minus का 2n cube, first minus का, all minus will be, so first term, second term is, this is n, this is 2n, so total 3n, but n multiply, so 3n square, so it will be minus का 3n square, ये minus का 3n square, and the next is 1 into 1, so it is n only, minus का n ये. So now here you will see how much term will get cancelled. 3n square get cancelled. 3n cube minus 2n cube will give you actually n cube. So n cube minus n upon 6 into u of n. बोलो हाँ ना. Is it clear or not beta y of n? Whether here are you also getting same to same, just do reply yes or no. Just check your calculation, yes. So here you can also write in a short form also, you can take n also common outside. So you will left inside the bracket n square minus 1 upon 6 into u of n. So yn is equal to n dot n square minus 1 upon 6 into un. All of you guys just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? N into n square minus 1 upon 6 dot u of n. Yes. Is this clear or not beta? Is this crystal clear? Shall we go for next? Yes. So I can also rewrite this n into n square minus 1 upon 6, n into, so I am writing here, if n un, convolution with n un, result is nothing but n into n square minus 1 upon 6 into u of n. So this is the final result, and I can also apply shifting. So n un, convolution with n un is nothing but n into n square minus 1 upon 6 into u. So if I will write like this, कि sir n minus का a into u of n minus का a, convolution with n minus का b into u of n minus का b, then it will be equal to what? It will be equal to n minus का a minus का b, and again you should write here n minus का a minus का b का whole square minus 1 or upon 6 into u of n minus का a minus का b. Every student just do reply fast. Is this crystal clear or not beta? Is it crystal clear? n minus का a minus का b, n minus का a minus b का whole square by 2u. All of you guys do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next, guys? Bolo yes. Whether he. So right now we are finding the standard signal convolution. Very soon we will start the matrix convolution also, and we will solve the gate questions also. Okay. We will start the gate questions also. Chali. So now student, I am taking the next question. Let me take if yn equal to a की power n u of n convolution with u of n. Then how to solve? Simply apply the convolution formula. I think last slide whether you already completed. Clear, sir. Shabash. So if I talk about yn, then my answer is sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity, and here is what? A की power k into u of k dot u of n minus ka k. So now ultimately what you will get? You will get sigma of uk dot u n minus ka k is nothing but actually k equal to 0 to n, k equal to 0 to n, and here you will get what? A की power k. Now if you don't know a value, then you can apply two formulas. A value either can be less than 1 or can be greater than 1. So if mod of a less than 1 or if mod of a greater than 1. If mod of a less than 1, then formula is nothing but 1 minus a की power upper limit n. So n plus 1 upon 1 minus a into u of n, And if a is greater than 1, then the formula will become, bolo, a is greater than 1, then a power will come first. So a की power n plus 1 minus 1 upon a minus 1. A की power n plus 1 minus 1 upon a minus 1. Yes. Every student just do reply for, is this clear? Is this crystal clear beta? Just let me know, hi or no. Just complete this part. It means, if let me take the example, it means if such type of question will come, ki yn equal to 2 ki power n into u of n, convolution with u of n, then your result is nothing but what? A ki power n un is nothing but result 2 ki power n plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 whole bracket u of n. So your yn is equal to what? 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 only. So answer is 2 ki power n plus 1 minus 1 into u of n. This is the only your answer. Yes. Bolo bachcho hai na. It depends on the values of a, because a value is greater than 1, 2 here. So that is why. Yes or no beta? Just complete this part. I am waiting. Once you will complete, you should reply. Okay. Yes. All of you guys, just let me know. Shall we go for next? Pyare bachcho? Yes. Shall we go for next? Chali. So next question is here, yn equal to, next I am writing, if yn equal to a ki power n into u of n and convolution b ki power n into u of n. Then if I will apply the formula, find the convolution result. So yn equal to sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity x of k dot h of n minus k. Hi na beta, whether he done. So here if I will apply this, ki yn equal to sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity, x k means we can write a ki power k into u of k and dot b ki power n minus k into u of n minus k. So now ultimately what you will get? You will get yn equal to uk and un minus k. When you will multiply both, actually you will get the limit k equal to 0 to n, and here inside the bracket you will get actually a ki power k dot b ki power n dot b ki power minus k. So ultimately what you will get sigma of k equal to 0 to n. Now tell me guys, shall I take b ki power n outside the bracket? Shall I take b ki power n outside the bracket? So inside the bracket actually I will get a upon b ki power k. A ki power k, b ki power minus k. So it will become 1 upon b ki power k. Bolo hai na? Bolo hai na bachcho? Ye clear sir. So now what you will get ultimately? You will get ultimately b ki power n outside, and here you can apply the formula. Suppose that a by b you can take less than 1 also, you can take greater than 1 also. Don't worry, okay, whatever. If I am taking greater than 1, then my formula will be a upon b ki power n plus 1 minus 1 upon b ki power a upon b minus 1 ye into u of n. Bolo hai na. I am taking a by b value is greater than 1. I can take less than 1 also. Don't worry, you can take minus common in numerator or denominator. You will get the expression which you will ideally get when a by b less than 1. If a by b less than 1, then 1 will come first, 1 will come first. So take minus minus common in both numerator and denominator, you will get that expression. So whatever it will be, no problem at all. Now after the result I am writing here, from after this I am writing here actually. So you will get actually b ki power n outside the bracket, and here when you will take the LCM, then what you will get? You will ideally get a ki power n plus 1 minus b ki power n plus 1 upon you will get b ki power n plus 1 upon, ultimately you will also get here a minus b ki power b. Yeah. So ultimately student, if you will see now, then here what you will get, this is b, so ultimately in the power b ki power n plus 1, and it will be a की power n plus 1 minus b की power n plus 1 upon b तो ऊपर जा चुका है, upon a minus b और into b की power n plus 1 or into I can also write un. So this one and this one get cancelled out. The final expression is nothing but a की power n plus 1 minus b की power n plus 1 upon a minus b into un. Yes. So this will again become a standard form or very important form. Yes or no, bachcho? All of you guys do reply now. Shall we go for next, beta? All of you guys just let me know. Shall we go for next? Chaliye. So just complete this part. I am waiting for your response. Once you will complete, we will go for next. Whether he? Chaliye. Do reply. Next, sir. Very good, beta. So now we are going for the next. Chaliye. So next, okay. So next we are writing. The result is a की power n u of n. This is the box you have to remember for a long time, guys. Now this is the only working as a formula. A की power n u n convolution with b की power n u of n is nothing but actually a की power n plus 1 minus b की power n plus 1 upon a minus b and whole bracket close dot u of n. So this is nothing but your an un convolution bn un. And if I will apply here shifting, let me take shifting here, n minus ka k into u of n a convolution with b की power n minus ka m into u of n minus ka m. Then all the shifting will reflect here a की power n minus ka k minus ka m plus 1 minus b की power n minus ka k minus ka m plus 1 upon a minus b and whole bracket close and dot u of n minus ka k minus ka m. Yeah. So this is your final answer, guys. Do reply. Is this clear or not? I hope you all are getting the same. I hope you all are getting the same. Do reply fast, yes or no. Yeah. So now student, if you know this, try to solve this question. Just take your time and complete this example. Complete this example, you know the standard result. Now you need not to apply the convolution formula. Now you need not to apply the convolution formula, just apply the standard form. Last box you have to remember as a formula. Last box you have to remember as a short trick. Once you have the short trick, you just need to compare the AB value and you will get the answer. बोलो. Shall we go for next, प्यारे बच्चों? Yes or wait? चलिए. So yn equal to a or b you have to identify. So a की power n, b की power n. So answer will be 2 की power n plus 1 माइनस 1/3 की पावर n plus 1 upon simply 2 minus 1/3. A and B you have to identify only, that is the only answer. So your final answer is nothing but what? 2 की power n, even you can take outside also this, okay. So 2 की power here n plus 1 minus 1/3 की power n plus 1 or upon 2 minus 1/3, it means you can take 3 to the 6 minus 1, 5/3 and whole bracket close, and here you will get u of n. Yes. So this is nothing but your y of n, guys. This is nothing but your y of n. Done? Done beta Vijay? Chalo. Now we are going for next one more. Achha, this question however already we have solved. U of n 2 की power n u n. So if you will convolve u of n, convolution with 2 की power n u of n, because you know it is commutative only, so your y n is nothing but final result un convolution a की power n un. So answer is 2 की power n plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 and whole bracket u of n. Yes. So yn equal to 2 की power n, yn equal to 2 की power n plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 into u of n. बोलो बच्चों. Shall we go for next प्यारे बच्चों? Do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Yes, come on, come on, come on. Tell me. Shall we go for next? Yeah. This question I am expecting that you should try at least, okay. I am giving you a 1 minute time, try to solve this question. Try to solve this question beta. This is a easy question actually. 2 minute time I am giving to you. At least you have your attempt. At least you all guys you have attempt. Whether he do reply. You have a 2 minute time. ब्लैक सेंसर एक एप्टीट्यूड का क्वेश्चन है कि 2024 में अगर एक स्टूडेंट ने उसके सबसे ज़्यादा 100 मार्क्स, जद से ज़्यादा का मतलब क्या है? कम से कम कितने मार्क्स आ सकते हैं? अच्छा अच्छा, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. सबसे ज़्यादा 100 मार्क्स आ सकते हैं, बट कम से कम ये हो जाएगा कि वो ऑल द 65 क्वेश्चंस रॉन्ग करके उसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग ले ले. बट अगेन NAT में नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है एंड MCQ में नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है. सो वी कैन नॉट फिक्स बिकॉज वी डोंट नो हाउ मेनी NAT और हाउ मेनी MSQ क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. Out of 65, whatever MCQ questions are there, you just take the negative marking. That particular negative mark they will get. Yes or no? Whether he not 0 beta. In negative mark also will come. Yes. चलो बच्चों जरा बताइए. Shall we go for next? अच्छा, इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू आर टेकिंग आंसर 0, A और B आर सेम, इसलिए अच्छा अच्छा सेम, ओके वेरी गुड. चलो इसीलिए मैं क्वेश्चन दिया था, वेरी गुड. सो इट मीन्स इफ a की पावर n u of n convolution with b की पावर n u of n is nothing but actually a की पावर n plus 1 minus b की पावर n plus 1 upon a minus b into whole bracket or u of n. Then agar in this formula only if you will put b equal to a, then you will not get 0, you will get 0 by 0. Bolo hai na Vedai? You will not get 0, you will get 0 by 0, yes, undefined form. So what I am doing, I am just explaining here, if my question is this, suppose that I am taking the question again, a equal to b. So now if my question is this, ki yn equal to a ki power n into u of n convolution with a ki power n u of n, then the formula says that y of n is nothing but sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity. You will get here a ki power k dot u of k and dot a ki power n minus ka k into u of n minus ka k. So ultimately you will get sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity a ki power k dot u of n minus ka k, or you can say that a ki power k dot a ki power n minus ka k, and uk dot u n minus ka k will give you the limit of k equal to 0 to, will give you the limit of sigma of k equal to 0 to n. This will give you actually yn. This will actually give you yn, yes. Now tell me this time what you will get, because same na, so k equal to 0 to n beta, and here you will get actually a ki power k dot a ki power n and dot a ki power minus k. So don't you think this one get cancel out? So now ultimately you will get, guys, you will get sigma of k equal to 0 to n, and here you will get actually a ki power n. So now finally what we need to do beta? So now finally we have to do yn equal to, because a ki power n is already outside, now. Now you can take sigma of k equal to 0, to n and dot a ki power n, Sorry, a ki power n already outside na, so here 1 only. A ki power n is already outside, so 1 only, because limit in k. So your final answer yn is nothing but upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. It means a ki power n as it is and n minus 0 plus 1, or into, because of right hand side, un. So your yn answer is nothing but actually n plus 1 into a ki power n into u of n. This is nothing but your y of n. So going forward it will become also a standard form. Shabash beta, shabash, very good. क्या बात है बेटा, black science, शाबाश शाबाश, very good बेटा. So yn equal to n plus 1 dot a की power n into u of n. So here you will get बच्चा y of n, or you will get a की power n into u of n convolution with a की power n into u of n is equal to, you will get n plus 1 into a की power n into u of n. So this will be your final answer. Every student just do reply fast. Is this clear? A ki power n un convolution with a ki power, it means same signal convolve with itself will give you n plus 1 a ki power n un. Yes. So now we have this result. And now we can solve the last question. The sequence of xn 0.5 की power n un, where un is the step sequence, is convolved with itself to obtain y of n. Then the sequence minus infinity to infinity yn is what? Then guys do reply, shall I write yn equal to 0.5 की power n into u of n convolve with actually 0.5 की power n u of n. So what you will get actually? A की power n un, so your yn is nothing but actually what? N plus 1 into 0.5 की power n into u of n. So this is your y of n beta, bolo hai na? n plus 1 dot 0.5 की power n un. But examiner is not asking for yn, examiner is asking for this. You have to apply again summation in the yn formula. So you will actually get sigma of n tends to minus infinity to infinity. Yn means n plus 1, 0.5 की power n dot u of n. So because of un, your lower limit should be what? Your lower limit should be what, guys? बोलो. n equal to u1, n equal to 0 से लेके infinity and n plus 1 or half की power n. Now how many of you remember one formula that I told you, guys? n plus 1. How many of you remember this formula? If sigma of n equal to 0 to infinity and if the answer is n plus 1 dot a की power n, then it is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus a का whole square only. That's it. If only n, then a upon 1 minus a का whole square. So answer is 1 upon 1 minus half का whole square. So your answer is 1 minus half मतलब half का whole square. So 1 upon 1 by 4. So answer is 4. बोलो हाँ ना. Every student just do reply. बोलो is it clear बेटा? Is this clear to you बेटा? Every student just do reply fast. Is this clear? Yes, guys. Just let me know. Shall we go for next? Very nice question. Chale, shabash. Very good question it is. So answer is 4 actually. Answer is 4 actually here. Yes. Chale, students. So now we will solve the graphical approach, sequence approach. Okay, sequence approach. Chale. So what exactly, if I talk about in the convolution, what we are doing exactly? Just see the conventional approach, graphical approach. Okay, beta. So suppose that it is. This is my arrow and here this is my arrow. Suppose that this is my arrow, okay. So here suppose that this is my arrow, ये 4 arrow and this is also my arrow. Suppose that this is also my arrow, yes. So it means when you will see here, so you will get to know कि sir yn formula is nothing but actually sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity x of k dot h of n minus का k. बोलो हाँ ना, ये होता है सर. So if I will draw x of k, if I am drawing here x of k, if I will draw here x of k with respect to k, then what I will get? I will get 1, here I will get 1, I will get here 4, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2. So you will get actually 0, minus 1, 1, 2. And the values you will get 1, 4, 3 or 2. This is my x of k. Now what is? H of n minus ka k, h of n minus ka k, yes. And because you know that, okay, sir, this limit is starting from actually minus 1, 0, this is what? 1, this is what? 2. And if I talk about this limit, is starting from 0 beta, 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Bolo hai na? So according to the width property and length property, can you please tell me, okay, according to the width property, yn length will be what? According to the length property, what is the length of yn? Xn is having the length L1, X2 is having the length L2, Hn is having the length L2, then yn should be the length of L1 plus L2 minus 1. This property we have seen in the last class. So what is the length of Xn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 length. Again 4 length. So 4 plus 4, L1 plus L2 minus 1. It means L1 be 4, L2 be 4. So 4 plus 4 minus 1, it means 7. It means whatever the length of y of n, total 7 term will be there. This is called length property. Now if I talk about, not 9 beta Vedehi, L1 plus L2 minus 1 na beta, L1 plus L2 minus 1. So this is the 7, 7 is the length. So length will be, length for y of n, length for y of n will be what guys? Length of y of n will be what? 7. Now if I talk about the width property, it means lower limit should add. So it is starting from minus 1, starting from 0. So minus 1 and 0, it means ultimate signal going to be start from minus 1 and it should be end at 3 plus 2, 5. It means it should be end at 5. It means the location will be minus 1, after that 0, after that 1, after that 2, after that 3, after that 4, after that 5. Yes or no? So when you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, total length 7, satisfied. So it means first number I am looking for y minus 1. And if I am looking for first number y minus 1, my formula will become what? This is my yn formula. So I am putting n equal to minus 1. So my formula will be look like this, sir. K tends to minus infinity to infinity, x of k dot h of minus 1 minus ka k. ये बोलो हाँ या ना? h of minus ka k. So if I want to make the curve of h of minus ka 1 minus ka k, what I will get? Tell me. H of minus ka 1 minus ka k. Minus ka k minus ka 1. How many of you directly know? How many of you directly know how to perform reversal as well as shifting together? I told you many times. I told you initially also. So h of n, if I will write first of all h of k. So h of k is also same 1, 3, 2, 1. Now I want to write h of minus ka k minus ka 1. H of minus ka k minus ka 1. I want to make the diagram minus ka k minus ka 1. It means I have to perform first of all reversal. So if I will perform reversal of this 1, 3, 2, 1. So I should write here like this 1, 3, 2, 1. And from here only starting point is nothing but minus 1. So it is nothing but minus 2, minus 3 like this. So when you will draw this, you will get the curve this minus 1 location, then minus 2 location, then minus 3 and minus 4. And the values are 1, 3, 2, 1. So here is 1, here is 3, here is 2 and here is 1. So it will be 1, 3, 2, 1 and like this. Yes or not? Yes. So what you will get beta? Xk dot h of minus k minus 1. When you will multiply those, you have to, what you need to do? You just need to multiply both the curve and summation, whatever the values will be there. So when you will multiply this signal xk and h of minus k minus 1, then you will get to know only one limit is common and that is nothing but minus 1. Here minus 1 is 1 and here also minus 1 is 1. After that 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. 0 into something is 0 only. So 1 into 1, 1. It means the first value I already got now. Y minus 1 value is nothing but 1 only. So this is how graphically we are achieving the convolution. This is how graphically we are achieving this is the conventional approach. Suppose that you are getting. So now the unknown value is y minus 1 to y5 I am looking for now. So whether y minus 1 value already got, that is what? 1. Yes sir. Now going for next y0. Tell me beta. If I talk about y0 value, then what it will be? Y0 it means I am putting n equal to 0 in the formula. So formula will be sigma of k tends to minus infinity to infinity x of k dot h of x of k dot n, because n is 0, so it is minus ka k, x of k dot h of minus ka k. Now if I will draw h of minus ka k, if I will draw h of minus ka k, here only I am drawing h of minus ka k. So if I will draw h of minus ka k, so what you will get? You will get h of minus k, it means directly 1, 3, 2, 1 and this time starting from 0. So I am writing here h of minus ka k, in sequence only we are doing and after that we will make the graph. So it will be actually 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1 and this is the arrow like this 1, 3, 2, 1. So because it is 1, 3, 2, 1, so we are writing here 1, we are writing here actually 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. So it will be what? It will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, h minus k with respect to k. So when you will multiply this curve, curve number 1 and curve number 2 is this, this is curve number 3, then what do you, how many common area you have? So this time 0 we have 4, so 0 we have 1. So 4 into 1, 4. So I am writing here 4 plus, bolo. Minus 1 is also common, na? Minus 1 location, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So minus 1 location 3 and here minus 1, 1. So this time 2 common actually. So 3 into 1, so 4 plus 3. So answer is 7. Bolo hai na? So it means the 0 value will be 7 only, and so on we can continue this. And so on we can continue this. Bolo hai na beta? So just complete this part, just complete all the curves. After that we will discuss the same question with the matrix approach. After that we will solve the same question. After that we will solve the same question with matrix approach. After that we will solve the same question with matrix approach. Bolo bachcho bolo. Shall we go for next? Yes. So now the same question if I will solve by using the matrix approach. So the first two terms should match 1 or 7. Okay. So I am writing the same question now. X of n is, what is the question? X of n question is what? 1, 4, 3, 2. Okay. So I am writing here 1, 4, 3, 2. 1, 4, 3, 2. 1, 4, 3, 2 where 4 is having origin. Similarly, what is h of n? What is h of n, guys? 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 3, 2, 1. Yes. So it will be 1, 3, 2, 1. And it will be origin here. Origin here. So it will be what, guys? It will be minus 1. It will be minus, and it will be 1. It will be 2. Similarly, 0. It will be 1. It will be 2. It will be 3. So you should write like this. You should write like this. Write the first number 1, 4, 3, 2, and here I am writing 1, 3, 2, 1. So because origin here, so here is 1, and 4 origins, so here is like this. Yes. So when you will multiply, guys, you will get actually 1, 3, 2, 1, and 4, 4, 3 is 12, 4, 2 is 8, 4, 1 is 4. What I am doing, I am one variable I am writing in the column and one variable I am writing in the row. After that, I am putting this one value and I am multiplying with every coefficient of the first upper row. So 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 3, 3, 1, 2 is 2, and 1, 1 is 1. Similarly, now this number I need to multiply with this entire coefficients. So 4 into 4, 4, 3 is 12, 4, 2 is 8, or 4, 1 is 4. So 3, 1 is 3, 3, 3 is 9, 3, 2 is 6, 3, 1 is 3. 2, 1 is 2, 2, 3 is 6, 2, 2 is 4, 2, 1 is 2. So when you will diagonally, when you will add diagonally, what you will get, guys? Diagonally add means here 1, 4 plus 3, 7. So it will be 1, 7. It will be what, guys? 3. So 12 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 2, 17. 17. Now 2 plus 9, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 8, 11 plus 8, 19 plus 1, 20. So 9, 1, 10, or here is 20. So 8 plus 2 20. So it will be 20, sir. Yes. Now diagonally we are adding. Diagonally we have to add. So 6 plus 6, 12 plus 4, 16. 4 plus 3, 7 or 2. 4 plus 3, 7 or 2. And we know that this is origin. This is origin. Even from this matrix approach also you can decide where is the origin. You can just extend the arrow. This is first arrow. This is second arrow. So this arrow we are extending, and this arrow also you need to extend. So wherever you have star mark, this is extension. So for this coefficient, 4 is included in this diagonal element, diagonal addition. So 4 plus 3, 7. It means 7 will be origin. It means here it will be minus 1. It will be here 1. It will be here 2. It will be here 3. It will be here 4. It will be 5. So in the GATE exam, examiner can ask the question like this. What is y minus 1? So 1. What is y5? So y5 is 2. Examiner can ask like this. What is y3? So answer is 16, like this. Like this, examiner can make a numerically entry questions. Okay, guys? Do it fast, beta. Do it fast. I am waiting. I am waiting, beta. Whether he do reply. चलिए बच्चों, शाबाश, clear. So we'll solve the GATE problems also based on the same in the next class. Okay. So bye bye guys. Take care. That's all from today's class. We'll meet in the upcoming session. Okay. An upcoming live lecture, live event. You will get to know in the live chat. Okay. In the live upcoming event. Okay. चलिए. So bye bye. Take care. Whether he, all of you, all the students, try to be regular in the live session, guys. Okay. चलिए. So those who are looking for the complete structure GATE preparation from the IMS GATE Academy platform, you guys can visit the website, that is imsindia.com/gate, and you can find the mobile number from the description of this video, or you can WhatsApp also your query. Once you will enroll in the IMS GATE Academy GATE program, you will get 850 plus live lectures or 350 plus recording. You will get 26 to 30 hard copy of booklet which contain theory book, exercise book, and covered 4000 plus practice question. You will also get 130 plus test series including subject test, advanced level subject test, multiple subject test and mock test. You will also get dedicated doubt solving portal and one-to-one or one-to-many mentorship sessions. Okay बच्चों, चलिए. So bye bye guys. That's all from today's class. Bye bye.